Welcome back to Milesweb channel. If you don't want to miss out on any of our tutorials, make sure you click the bell icon. In this video, you will learn how to fix leverage browser caching of a website. Before starting with the step-by-step process to fix leverage browser caching of a website, first we will see what is cache and what is leverage browser caching. Cache is a mechanism that operates between the web server and web browser. Generally, cache stores multiple file copies to quickly access them rather than requesting those files from server. Leverage browser caching is one of the effective ways to cache files. While continuously fetching resources over the network, you may face website load time with web server, and leverage browser caching helps you here. It means webmaster instructs the web browser to store some of your web page resource files. When a requested web page is displayed by a web browser, things such as your logo, CSS files, HTML files, PHP files, and other resources get automatically loaded. Leverage browser caching improves the website speed, by which you get a better user experience. Now, to fix the leverage browser caching of a website, follow these simple steps. Log in to the cPanel. Under Files section, click on File Manager. On the left side, click on public_HTML directory. You will see the files and folders on the right side. In that, right-click on .htaccess file and click on Edit option in the context menu. After clicking on Edit option, one dialog box appears on the screen which will ask you for character encoding. If you don't want to select any character encoding option, just click on Edit button. After clicking on Edit button, a new window appears. In that, you can add this code. And click on Save Changes button. To verify this code, here I am browsing idigitalcam.com in the web browser. In your case, you will need to browse your domain. Now, press Ctrl+Shift+E. In the Network Monitor section, click on Reload option. You can see expiry header set in response header of your file. So, in this way, you can fix leverage browser caching of a website. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Give a thumbs up if you found it useful. Reach out to us on this email ID for any of your technical queries.